Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode there'll be a learning as to how to clean a refrigerator. Any refrigerator, 2-door, side-by-side door, 4-door, any sort of refrigerator. We are just focusing on how to clean a refrigerator. In the description box, you may find another link that will mention about how to set and organize a refrigerator. Don't forget to check out that video. Surely after cleaning the refrigerator, you may need to reset it. And how to organize it? None better than that. So let's get right into the video as to how to clean the refrigerator. Don't forget to like this video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. To keep a few things ready at hand before you begin your cleaning process. What are these things? 1. A spray bottle. 2. A microfiber cloth. 3. A duster. 4. A sponge. 5. A dishwashing liquid soap. How to make this DIY spray? Have a spray bottle kept ready. 1/4 portion of liquid soap, that is which you use to wash vessels, dishwash liquid, and 3/4 portion of drinking water. Do not use regular tap water, as sometimes if water may be hard, it may land up damaging your surfaces for which you used to clean. This DIY spray will assist you in cleaning all the greasy areas around the house, especially in the kitchen area, that is your kitchen platform, your gas range, your chimney, a lot of other stuff. Always keep it handy and ready. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Always first begin with the refrigerator section. Empty out all the contents completely. In certain cases, there's a preference of turning the mains of the refrigerator off, but in this case the refrigerator is kept on because the freezer is not tackled at this point in time. Have all the shelves and the mats cleaned as well. During the process of cleaning the interiors of the refrigerator, bear in mind not to neglect the external body, is as important. Remove all the decor and gently wipe clean the external body of the refrigerator. This should be done on a regular basis. Now coming back to the interiors of the fridge. Should you find that there is all dust collected, which it will be, dust it off first with a duster. Ensure there is absolutely no dust or grime settled in there. Wipe it off with a wet cloth. And should you have the need, use the liquid spray and then clean it off again. This will also give you an opportunity to work on the contents of your refrigerator, to check for the products that have expired, that need to be discarded, the food preparation which has been stored in your refrigerator for days, the baskets which you keep in the refrigerator. Everything has to be cleared at this point in time. Don't forget the door section. Have the shelves taken out. The same process needs to be followed. In this video, we are only covering the refrigerator section. The freezer section needs to be dealt with in the same way. the liquid soap and a sponge. Wipe off all the glass shelves and place them straight, as most dust and grime tend to settle in the finest of the places. Should the need arise, go ahead and remove the white strips against the glass shelves and have the strips cleaned as well. Let the water drip off. Should you keep it on the floor, ensure to keep a bath towel or a rug below, a clean, neat rug. The shelves need to be cleaned very delicately as they are plastic. The liquid soap and a sponge. Allow it to drip dry and then gently wipe it off with a fresh towel. The mats and the anti-skid mats may be cleansed in the same way. Once these are washed below the tap water, allow it to drip dry on a hanger and then wipe it off with a fresh kitchen towel again before placing them back on the shelves. The baskets need to be cleansed as well. Check the products and neatly place them back. This is as important as cleaning the refrigerator. The vegetable drawer and the fruit drawer need to be cleansed in the same fashion, the liquid soap and a sponge. Should you have a water dispenser on the door, empty out all the water and then clean that segment as well. Do not use any liquid soap there, but you need to thoroughly clean it and then restore the water. There you go. Place everything back once it's dry. The mats need to be placed respectively. The color of the mat which you see different in green is for the non-vegetarian section. Thank you so much for joining in with me today. I trust you've seen a few tips and hacks how to clean the refrigerator. Do mention in the comment section all about this. What is the best part that you liked about the video? Don't forget to check the video that is mentioned in the description box. Which video? How to set and organize your refrigerator. Like this video, share the video and do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet soon again with another video.